Let's talk about the green machines that manage the world plants. More than 82% the total biomass of the world consists plants. Plants from small algae to rising trees come in all shapes and sizes. But have you ever wondered what form they will receive? Like animals, plants begin to life as a single cell, the smallest living particle. When first cell is divided, it initiates the growth of plant. Zygotta is making fun of me. All plants start from a single cell called zygote. Zygots, fertilized egg cells, which are the beginning of life in both animals and plants. However, while animals rely on fertilization to start their growth, many plants make a secret trick, talk about. In plants, it lives in a zygote seed. This seed is like a final survival kit. Like stealing sugar from a baby, cells outside the seed are like a personal weather forecast. They pay attention to temperature, water levels, and other important conditions. When they stop and go to other cells such as traffic controllers, they send signals to other cells that describe. Seeds have a tremendous amount of nutrients for their size. If you think about this, people eat seeds. This is a terrible, but right thought to the cellar of a baby plant. When a plant begins grow, nucleus passes one end of the egg cell and causes cell extend a tube-like shape. The cell is then divided into two, forms a tube-like cell and a round cell. The tube-like cell will be divided and the root system of the plant. Meanwhile, the round cell will be divided to become a body. In this initial stage, where two daughters become cells, the cell begins to be divided into different pieces. Like humans and other animals, plants have DNA, which serves as a plan for how they will grow and behave. DNA creates genes encoding proteins, a group of chemicals responsible for controlling the cell behavior. This is just hormones for plants. Two of the most important proteins that determine how a cell will grow are Oksin and cytokine. Oksin is like the head coach. It regulates division of the cell and allows everything to grow in right direction. Cytokinin is like a drama teacher. He says that it is time to change their identities and play new roles. Whether the plant is a vegetable, flower, or a giant tree, this growing process is exactly the same. There is some evidence that the DNA in all plants points to a single common ancestor living 1 billion years ago. The genes that manage how plants grow barely have changed throughout the time. When you see plant next time, think about how everything started with a small cell, growing up until it becomes strong green machine and divide it.